Hi, I'm back. It's been a while. Haven't been doing too much cooking. Kids left. Couldn't be bothered really. So got inspired by Sarah Di Lorenzo making this beautiful carrot and ginger soup. And we had it on the set the other day. It was delicious. So I'm making it. It's lunchtime and I figure I'm just gonna put it away to have for dinner and lunch, basically. Because it's freezing in Sydney. Don't know where you are. I'm going to, just chuck those in. Oh, okay, that's a bit hot. I think it's a lower heat. Anyway, 3 carrots. I'll put the recipe on the website. Okay, fans on. Don't know whether you can hear me. It's basically carrots, celery, an onion, ginger. Right, where were we? 4 cloves of garlic. I'm using minced. Not really sure whether that is kosher, but look, beggars at the moment. I had some, I didn't have any fresh. You know me, I don't run to the supermarket if I don't have anything. Let's just do with it. Okay, now I grated ginger. I did buy fresh ginger because on the set, when she made it on the Sunrise set, you could really taste the ginger. So I grated it. It was 2 tablespoons of ginger, and I really love the taste of ginger. Never did, but I've learnt to love it. Somehow it feels like it tastes good for you. And then we get that soft, and then put in some 2 litres of a litre of stock. And a bit of water and a dash of milk. Okay, so really it's just the garlic, ginger, onion, carrot, celery. I'll give you a little whack of that. I'm sure there's more professional ways to do this. Now we're supposed to get that soft. Can you see? Should really do this professionally. How do professionals do it? Sally Obermead to call me. You do it better than this. So that's supposed to get soft, and then we add the liquid. I think I'll put the lid on. I mean, how else would it get soft? See, because there's no liquid. See, Sarah, you left out that bit. This is the problem with people who know what they're doing. They assume the rest of us have an idea, and we don't. So I put the lid on, and waiting for it to get soft. Okay, I was a bit worried about the softness. There are brown bits. Anyway, we're going to continue because it's not soft and there are brown bits on the bottom of the pan. So we're going to continue with our next stage. Sarah Di Lorenzo, I have a bone to pick with you, because I feel like we needed a bit of liquid in that. Anyway, we'll continue. We need a litre of... we need a litre of stock. There we go. Oh, it sounds better already. We're just going to have to cook it in this. See, it's not soft. I hate it when the instructions don't quite... I'm that kind of person that I panic a bit. Anyone like that? I think, oh. So we've got a litre of stock, a cup of water, and a dash of milk. Whatever a dash is, that looks about right. And then I guess we'll just cook all that in. I mean, look, let's face it, does not look good. Looks terrible. But actually, I'm thinking it looks a bit too celery-ish and not enough carroty-ish. I did follow the recipe. So stay tuned. I'm going to cook that for a while and wait for it to get soft and then get those. Stay tuned. It's not working well, is it? Sorry. I'm back. Okay, it's cooked. It's soft. And I'm ready to... I don't know. Hang on, better show you. Oh, took my makeup off in the meantime. It took so long. Ready? Here we go. Whoops. Okay, I better do this without you saying it's going to be ages. I've recovered. I think the heat may have blown the lid off the Vitamix. I almost burned myself. Anyway, I'm okay. Thanks for your concern. I'm eating it. I think too much celery. But not bad. I can taste the ginger. Need more carrot. Husband's home. Bye.